You make pretty stacks.
Because I'm selective with my wood picks.
Hear that, guys?
I forgot to wash it.
So it's wood day? One of many?
So much more exciting than under the house day.
So much more exciting. Don't you love all this homestead stuff? Okay, so we got a wood pile behind us here. That's pretty much the ready stuff. We got to put some tarps over the top of it and then process 2 more cords. And I had some ideas about that, but
I don't like your ideas.
my ideas mean more work,
yeah.
So that's usually not a good idea. So we got the tractor running, as you can hear. I'm going to put the forks on it. We're going to pull some of this greenhouse tarp to create a solar oven for the wood to help it speed up its drying process. Okay? Ideally, I'd like it stacked in cords. If it just gets put over the pile, that'll be sufficient because we got rain incoming. It started sprinkling just before, so it's like, oh gosh, we gotta get this done. You're right, let's go. Break team.
Daddy. Daddy.
Well, we are getting ready for the big polar plunge. And so we're gonna be cutting some more firewood, and I got the heat lamp set up for the birds. I don't think they're gonna need it, but I'd rather just have it so in case something is needed, I can just turn it on instead of have to try to run cables when it's a 0 or lower wind chill. We have some logs here. We have some wood also being delivered. This stuff isn't quite ready for the fireplace, but we are going to get her all done anyway. Got the generator tested out, fueled up, grabbed extra emergency preps for that, and you know, we were in the crawl space yesterday so we can make sure that we have as much insulation up as we can. And we're supposed to get rain. It might be ice. We're like on the border of where that could happen, so it depends on how the weather goes. And icing down here is a big deal, guys. So in the Ozark Mountains, if it ices, it's bad. Because the roads, a lot of them don't have guardrails, and you're in the hills, and it's like, woo! So when we get our blacksmith stuff set up, these big chunks are nice to put the anvils on. They're not real great for cutting other things. You can see this is 2 trees. This is 2 that formed into one. And that's a nice thick base. It's probably a little too dry, but we got some nice huge hunks for putting the black for the anvils and such, so that's kind of nice. And then the rest of this we're just gonna chop up. As you can see, we started a little bit here. We'll get her going. So we have these cellophane wrappers. We're gonna wrap up the wood on the piles, doing the things. Okay. So basically what we tried to do here was stack like and move up in a pyramid kind of thing.
See, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty good on this side.
Yeah, just focus over here.
That's hard going 3 wide on this short of a pallet. Remember my Bemis training? It has been a hot minute. Now it's like broken in the other way. nailed it. Well, if I put the, like I said, if the tiller's on the back, it'll have enough weight because the forks can lift it. It's just, that's a bummer. Your stacks are way pretty. You make pretty stacks.
Because I'm selective with my wood picks.
Hear that, guys? I don't know if this is even going to show up. I don't even know if it's windy, so I don't know if this is even going to work. I don't have the microphones attached. Those microphones we can attach to this camera directly. How do I do it? I don't know. So I'll just piss you off if I'm gonna...
I'm really glad you're not sitting inside trying to figure it out while I'm on here. It's hard.
I'm trying to, if we stack them like this, it takes away a lot of rodent habitat. Leaving it like this, the moles and crap come in from the field and they can just sleep in a motel. I'm trying to avoid that. And I only know that because that was from my observation from the last pile, from last year. It was Critter Hotel. Okay, I learned how to hook up the DJI microphone to the camera. That took a really long time. Update the firmware, switch it to the camera mode, learning all the new things. Back to wood cutting. I mean, stacking. Stacking? Stacking. Got quite the assembly line going on here. That stack is too heavy. Could almost record a podcast while I'm stacking wood. The microphones that can record their own audio. That's super awesome. So while you're doing mundane tasks, you can be recording podcasts at the same time. Neato, neato, neato. All right, it's starting raining, so this project is done for the day. We're gonna wrap this over. Yeah. So there's our solar kiln. Basically, when the sun hits this, it's going to bake it. There's still enough airflow so it doesn't trap moisture, so we shouldn't have mold problems. And this is the old green, this is the old stuff that's the old greenhouse tarps. So it's not going to, we're not going to leave it this way. But if there's high winds, this is coming off anyway. These are both going to be sails. Okay, wooding. The wood stuff? I don't know. As we continue to build the homestead, we thank you all for liking and sharing and subscribing and giving us comments.
And sharing again.
And sharing again. Maddie's excited too. Thank you for helping us grow our channel and helping us make this dream come true. All right.
You're dirty.
See you in
Look
the
how
next
dirty
one.
You are. Oh my gosh.
Bye, Maddie. Bye, Maddie.
The next highest trump. So you've got the Jack of Diamonds. Do you have the Ace of Diamonds?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have the King of Diamonds?
Oh, I just put it in there.
Do you have the Queen of Diamonds?
No.
Do you have any highest Ace offsuits?
I don't know what that means.
Just try the jack.
Throw your Jack. Throw your right bower.